Hi, this is Angelica. I'm with Lead to Leads. You spoke with Mark, and we are just trying to help businesses with COVID. We know that times are tough right now, and honestly, sometimes businesses just don't have time to do this for their site or their business, or they don't know who they can trust. But we definitely want to help out to make a difference. And so it's three things that we can do immediately to help impact your business using your website. um, with Google, I mean, everyone searches Google for businesses, and we can show you three things, kind of a free attack plan, so to speak, that you could do. But we'll just get right to it. The first thing is content. You want to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage. Content is king. That's one of the things Google looks at. So this is your site here. This is the homepage. Got tabs. Those are good. The buttons, but buyer intent keywords that are mixed in with your homepage. That's what is going to land people here on your page. Is what they're searching for. If we just look in your area, this is what's coming up in the map pack when people search for, different things, plumbing or HVAC, different things with your area, your location. So that's the first thing is content. The next thing is citations. That's your business name, address, and phone number that's registered with directories like yellowpages.com, yelp.com, even betterbusinessbureau.org. There's thousands out there. You want to have at least 200. You guys who use a system here, you guys have 70. So you want to have at least 200. That's part of how Google gives you the authority to land top in this map pack section. The next thing is backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal. If we just kind of compare with what you guys have and your competition, we use a system called Ahrefs that shows us how many actual keywords are being used to search for you. You guys have 47. There's domains 494, and you guys have 1,800 backlinks. But like I was telling you, not all backlinks are created equal. Your competition here that is coming up top in the map pack, Fort Worth Plumbing or Plumbers, they only have 87. They have 1,400 keywords. So it's really optimizing it in getting the right words, content, links to be able to start the process of optimizing your site. This bottom section we call the organic section. You also want to be top in that section as well, because honestly, customers are going to choose from this section, one of them, usually the top one, or this bottom section. And it's always on page one. So those are some free tidbits that we give for free that we can show you guys how we can help bring out your website. We do all of the above: web design, logo design, ads, and also optimizing your site. Just to touch up on ads, here you have Google Guaranteed. That's the new way that Google's showing ads. Most time people have pop-up blockers now, so ads can be a really big money pit, and you can lose a lot if you don't know how to do it properly. Ads also can be optimized, so you want to make sure that's done right. But like I said, if you're just trying to make immediate impact to gain more business, more clients, we can certainly put this together for you. We'd love to help you out. Contact us back here at 806-790-8753. And if you don't mind just replying with just a line or two of feedback, we're giving these tips and tricks to other businesses. So we want to see if you guys find it valuable. Thank you. Have a great day.